Welcome. In this short video, we shall dive into JavaScript array, a way to store multiple items using a single variable. Arrays allow you to store several values inside one container. Each value is placed in a specified order and is accessed using a number called an index. And that index always starts from 0, not 1. Think of an array like a row of mailboxes. Each mailbox has its own number, and inside is a different letter. In JavaScript, you can write let fruits equal to apple, banana, orange. To get the first fruit, use fruits brace into 0 and you shall get apple. Arrays help you group related data together. They make it easy to look through values or retrieve them by index, whether it's a list of names, products, or scores. Arrays are a fundamental tool in JavaScript.